Welcome to Chelsea Place. This is the courtyard of townhouses that my house is located in Montreal. When I was in McGill University studying architecture, every day for 2 years, a friend of mine who lived up the street from here, and I would walk by Chelsea Place, and I said, one day I'll have a house on this beautiful courtyard. Take a look at this majestic courtyard of 18 townhouses. It is absolutely majestic. They're arranged in a U-shaped form and modeled after Georgian townhouses in London by Ernest Barrett is the architect, 1920s. Traditional Georgian architecture with beautiful over-door pediments. I love all the doorways. Each of the doors seem to be unique to the houses with small variations. The houses themselves are actually all arranged in different configurations, which is quite remarkable. The one at the corner is actually number 1. There are a few houses that go out onto the street that you don't see, number 2. This is number 4. My house is actually the corner house, number 5, which is just lovely, tucked away in the small corner. It's sort of hidden away, a hidden oasis, if you will. But the main run of the houses are here. And one of the most beautiful things about Chelsea Place that I found absolutely charming and irresistible is that we have these wonderful landscape gardeners who landscape the entire courtyard, and everyone gets the same flowers, and that uniformity of the landscape is really what pulls it together so beautifully. Look at this wonderful centerpiece at the center of the courtyard. They just put in these hydrangeas. They're absolutely magnificent. I have to resist the temptation to get my scissors and chop them out for my own little display inside. So the main run of houses is actually number 7, 8, 9, and 10. And these houses are all fairly similar to each other, but the interior configurations, believe it or not, are actually quite unique. All the houses are actually quite unique. Even though the exterior has the same language and same architecture, they do feature a lot of unique architectural details on the interiors, which is lovely. The courtyard is actually set back from the street. This is the Golden Square Mile. In Montreal, people don't know this, but in the turn of the century, the 1890s, 90% of Canada's wealth was actually concentrated in this neighborhood, which is called the Golden Square Mile, which extends from about a block to the west of here, all the way through to the McGill campus, which is maybe 4 or 5 blocks down from here. And this is actually one of the most wonderful hidden architectural gems in the city. Can you believe that this is right in the downtown heart of Montreal? It is really magnificent. That's what I loved about it. Everything is within walking distance of this lovely little courtyard. And when you're home, it almost feels like you're in the country. So here you can see the arrangement of the courtyard when you first come in to the driveway. Off the street, it has a beautiful symmetrical presence, which I love. Symmetry is always, very appealing to me in an architectural sense. And you have a beautiful layout of houses arranged in this U-shaped courtyard. And this is on Simpson Street here in Montreal. And we're going to actually start doing some walking tours of the Golden Square Mile in Montreal and start to explore some of the magnificent mansions that characterize this beautiful neighborhood. And a lot of the townhouses and a lot of the mansions remain intact till today.